Hello friends, welcome back again to Sapima tutorial. In our lesson today, we are looking for the value of x in the circle. Okay, so this is a circle theorem. So to solve for the value of x, we make use of the available information to trace down to the value of x. Now the available information I have here is 35. The angle subtended at P. You remember that the angle subtended at the center of a circle is always twice the angle at the circumference of the circle. This angle is formed at the circumference, and this is the mid-center. So the angle at the center is 2 times the angle at the circumference, which is 35. That gives us 70 degrees. So the angle here is 70 degrees. The next thing we do is to get the angle at this position, which will help us trace the angle x. Now we have 70 here already, and this is a triangle, an isosceles triangle, because this is a radius, this is a radius. So the base angles here must be equal. And how do we get it? We say 180 degrees minus 70, and this will give us 110. This is the angle, the sum of angles at these two positions. So we can divide it by 2 to distribute it. If I divide it by 2, I will have 55 degrees. So the angle at this position is 55 degrees, and here as well. So having gotten this one, I can now get the angle at this position. How? Look at this radius forming a perpendicular with this tangent. And whenever you have a radius forming a perpendicular to a tangent, the sum of angles there is 90 degrees. So here is 90 degrees. Now that here is 55 and here is x, I can comfortably say x is equal to 90 minus 55, okay? And this will give us 35. So the value of x is 35 degrees. That is because here is 90 and 55 is part of this 90. If I remove that 55, I'll get the remaining part as 35. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly subscribe and follow for more interesting tutorials.